mind, and welcome to a little moment that I would like to share with you all. It is Thursday, a day after hump day, but boy am I feeling this moment as a really heavy moment. I've got my coffee, much needed mug of coffee for today, and beautiful tree that we've been decorating and adding things to, and it makes me feel so nice and cozy and sort of ethereal because it's so white and beautiful, and beautiful Christmas cushions on here, and this dark kind of like magenta wine red colored top and leggings, and I feel really cozy, like I want to be in bed all day, but I can't because I'm still working. I'm looking at my computer in the corner, Zoom calls and all the things that I have to do. And this is just a little catch up to say how deep this full moon sorry, I'm losing my voice. How deep this full moon has felt, and how deeply it has moved me to the core. And if you are not aware or not interested in these things, full moons are these moments when there is this feeling of completion. Everything is getting to that peak moment, and then everything seems to be going down slowly emotionally. But when we have the full moon 3 days before the actual full moon day, well, slash night, and the 3 days after, we feel everything so enhanced. We all do to a certain extent, but some people, highly sensitive people like myself, in addition to that, I am also an empath, and I was born on a full moon in July, and July is mostly the sign of Cancer, so I'm a Cancerian with a Pisces ascendant, and full moons hit me hard. So I'm kind of recovering from this full moon. I went to ecstatic dance last night and it did help a lot, but today I am feeling it. And if you are also feeling raw, I encourage you to pause and accept that this is going on right now. All this exposed raw wounding is out in the open. And what do we do with that? We alchemize it through different modalities like art journaling, movement, meditation, walking in nature, being with a pet, being with a loved one, crying if necessary. Oh my God, so useful. Or we talk about it on YouTube. I'm laughing at myself. Or we laugh at ourselves. So useful, so necessary. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'm 4 minutes into it already. I don't know how, because I need to go back to my Zoom call. And it's been a really cold, frosty morning, but it's so gorgeous out. So I'm hoping to go for a walk at some point today and practice what I'm preaching, being in nature, being outside, being with the feelings that I am holding space for, and not bottling them up, just letting them be and run their own cycle of existence until the next outburst of feeling comes along. So I wish you a beautiful full moon. If you're watching this after the full moon, you might want to share how has this full moon been for you. If you do anything special to help yourself through this challenging time. And if anything, subscribe, send a comment, say something nice, say something that you find useful or interesting about these videos, or something that strikes you. Anything at all would be lovely to hear from you all. Much love and light from my heart to yours. Cheers, everyone.